Hey everybody, I'm going to do a quick video on how we do the final assembly of what we call our Mama and Me backpacks. So these are backpacks made specifically for mamas with babies, and so they have special features for that reason. So we've got this front kangaroo pocket, our ropes that cinch the bag up and become the handles go through these little casings, and on the inside, if I can get it to cooperate, way down in there you'll see a zipper pocket. There, hard to see it, but you'll see one, a live example in a second here. So once you have attached, let's just look at an unassembled bag. We attach our kangaroo pocket, we sew our casings on. One casing goes to the front of the bag, one goes for the back. You have to have one on both sides. Then you're going to have a little loop here. We're putting it up here, and rather than down low, this helps the bag not curl up so much. And one over here. Okay, so that's part of that's the outside. Then on the inside of the bag, you're going to have one plain side. Nothing goes on this lining side. On the other lining side, you're going to have a zipper pocket. And this can either be a 3-inch section here and a 5-inch section here, or in this case, I think my fabric happened to be 7 inches or something. This is mainly for money and traveling papers, things that a mama might need, or birth records, whatever, so that they're in the bag but separated from the other things that she needs to carry. Okay, and then I attach a tag under, so the way I do the pocket, let me show you. Once these two are attached to a zipper, I stitch them down to a piece of sheeting, and then I turn it right sides out so that it's just real quick and easy to attach. I don't have to fold under as I go. But you can fold under as you go if you don't want to do this. It's either way is fine. All right, so then what you're going to do is you're going to lay the front liner, which is plain, the back liner facing that front liner. Okay, and that one because it's got the pocket. Then you're going to put the back outside bag piece, and then you're going to lay right sides together the front backpack piece. Okay, and then you're going to sew those four together. Real simple. You're going to come and you're going to start up here at this corner. You're going to back stitch. You're going to come down the side, back stitch over that little tab, and then come to the corner, do a diagonal stitch, turn, get to the end, do a diagonal stitch, go all the way up. Don't forget to do back stitching here, and then at the end do a back stitch. All right, that's it. Then once you have it that far, you're simply going to grab, so this bag has been done like that, and I'm holding on the phone with one hand, so you'll have to forgive me, but you're going to reach in. The sandwich is going to look like this. The two front sides or the front and the back outside are together. The two lining pieces are facing each other like that. Okay, and so you're going to come in here and you're going to turn it so that the front and back outside pieces, see them, are going to be on the outside. So I don't know if I'll be able to successfully do it. Let's give it a, so I'm shaking it up, right? Shake, shake, shake. Through the magic of video. It's going to look like this. So voila, this was before I gave it much thought, and these are down low. Really going to like it better up here. Anyway, so that's how that's going to look. Then a quick bit of folded over t-shirt fabric to cover, close the top, or if you've got bias tape, or if you want to cut some bias tape, however you want to finish that off is fine, but that's your final step. And then you're going to weave your rope in and you're done.